One of the most underused things on a camera during daylight is your flash. Most people use your flash at night, but the best time to use it is actually during the day, as you use it as fill-in flash to take out the shadows out of the face. So let's take a few shots here using our fill-in flash. You can also vary the intensity of your fill-in flash by using your flash exposure compensation. So you can raise it up or lower the flashing compensation to reduce or increase the amount of flash on the face. Most people think when you're shooting outside that you've got to shoot with your back to the sun. The problem with that is you've got your model or your subject staring directly up towards the sun and squinting, and the shots invariably come out bad. The best way to do it is actually reverse that and have your model with the sun behind her and you shooting through, and as you do that you'll see that you start to get these really nice highlights coming through the hair, and you can use your flash to start to illuminate and take the shadows out of the face as well. And that's the best way to do it. You put the model, the back to the sun, you come through and you fill in the shadows and you get that really nice look. Look at that, that's a great shot. Excellent. Another tip when you're shooting outdoors is to always use one of these, a lens hood. They dramatically reduce lens flare, which is a real nightmare when you're shooting outside. An alternative to shooting out in the bright sun is to simply move into the shade. We've moved under the shade of this tree, and as you look in the shade you'll find that there's a sweet spot in the shade. As we move around, so we ask the subject to move around, we start to move around here, and then you look at the face and you see there it is. There's the perfect angle where the face is correctly illuminated in the shade. So next time you're shooting in the shade, make sure you look out for that sweet spot.